Over the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how this natural weight loss combo can help you burn fat from your stomach, thighs, and hips. And they're going to help you get the weight loss goals you're looking for in 4 ways. First of all, it's going to allow you to burn fat faster. There's a place in your cell called your mitochondria. This is known as the powerhouse of your cells. CLA is going to help fat enter the mitochondria more rapidly. As a result, your metabolic rate of fat is increased. Number 2, it's going to allow you to get more energy from fat. CoQ10 triggers energy production in your cells. As a result, you can convert fat into energy more efficiently. Number 3, it's going to block fat storage. You see, CLA interferes with a substance called LPL. Now this substance transfers triglycerides into fat cells, and as a result of this interference, fat storage is blocked. Number 4, it's going to help you to build lean muscle. Now when it comes to weight loss, muscle is extremely important because the more muscle you have, the more calories you naturally burn. And as a result, you're going to feel stronger, energized, and healthier. We're recommending 90 capsules of pure CLA and 60 capsules of pure CoQ10 for a 30-day supply. And this combination normally sells for $69.95, but today we're going to do better than that. For a limited time only, we're offering buy 2, get 1 free. When you buy 2 months worth of these supplements, we'll include the 3rd month totally free. That's 90 days worth of pure CoQ10, 90 days worth of pure CLA, and we're also including a free gift, which is an exercise and diet guide. The exercises in this booklet are designed to be done from home with no equipment in under 10 minutes a day, and they're designed for all fitness levels and all age levels. The dietary advice in this booklet are simple rules you can follow that are going to maximize the effectiveness of these supplements and help you to see results even faster. This booklet normally sells for $39.95, but we've included it today for free because we know the faster you see results, the longer you're going to stick with us. We've also included free shipping on this offer, and that's a total savings of over $100. To make your decision even easier, we've included a 100% satisfaction guarantee, which means you have 30 days to try this product risk-free. If you're not completely thrilled with the results, return it for a full refund, no questions asked. Now with a guarantee like that, there's literally no risk. Either you try it and you see the results you're looking for, or you return it, no problem. So you gotta ask yourself, what do you have to lose? This offer will not be available for long, so if you're serious about getting results, act now. Click the button on the side and fill out the form on the next page.